Daddy, come on. We're gonna unbox Daddy's new drone.
All right. What is it?
It's a drone. It's a DJI Air 2S.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and start. Are you excited to do this with me?
Yeah.
Have you ever done this before?
No, I haven't. You do the tape.
Okay.
Okay, you do the hard parts and I'll do the easy
Okay.
parts.
Then we flip it back over.
Then go like that.
Oh, gentle.
Then I get it down.
Oh, and we got more stuff here.
Instructions.
Okay.
Then we've got this bag.
Uh-huh.
Hey, what are we gonna use this bag for?
Well, that's to carry it in. So there's the controller.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's pretty cool. It all folds down inside. That's one of the things that's kind of a pain with the Mini is you got all this other stuff hanging out everywhere. So that all collapses pretty nice to go into there. And then let's unfold the new drone.
Yeah.
What are we gonna name her? Do you remember?
No.
From your, I thought she kind of looked like a spider. And so one of your favorite books was
Be Nice to Spiders.
Yeah, and do you remember the spider's name from that?
No.
Her name was Helen.
Uh-huh.
So I thought it'd be fun to name her Helen.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Let's unfold Helen.
Open her up.
Let's unfold Helen.
I'll hold here, undo this one. So this is everything all together. We got it all put together today. Flew it around a little bit. Was it fun?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
It was actually kind of tough to get set up because I have a Mini with an older phone. What I learned is if you have the older DJI Fly app on an older phone, it might not update to have the software that you need for the Air 2S. So I couldn't get it connected. I couldn't get it to do the software updates. And the only thing that would work, I knew it was connecting the drone to the controller because I could move the gimbal. All that I could do is move the gimbal up and down, and I didn't have any video on my phone. So I finally figured it out by using the DJI Assistant 2, which I downloaded to my computer from DJI's website, and then downloading the latest version of the app, which did not say it was compatible with my phone, but works, and was able to activate the drone, get all the software working, and then do some flying. So I really like that it all fits in this little bag. What I'll probably do is wind up taking this strap off and just putting it in a backpack, because I'd rather probably have it there than just carrying it over the shoulder. I do like that it's really easy to take these on and off. I don't know if it's going to be best to keep them on when it's in the when it's in the bag, I'll fold it up, or if it's going to be best to take these off and then put those in the bag. So we'll figure that out. These are the filters. These are going to keep because they're the guards that go on to these. And so I think what we're going to do right now, yep, you can put those on. I'm going to fold up this set of propellers, get things packed up into the bag. Charger stays home. I found it kind of hard to put this on. I usually don't use that guard on the Mini when I put it in the box, but I think I will on this. All right, and then you want to put that onto the front?
Yes.
That? I'll hold it, yeah. Turn it over. Yeah. And then, do you want to take the controllers off? Well, I guess you could keep them on this. Is that bad? You could keep them on there to keep them away from each other. I don't know if that's a good idea. If that would be stressing the battery.
Yeah.
So maybe
That's what
you put the other one in next to it. And we're ready to go.
Yep.
There it is. This can all stay at home for charging when we get back. And that's it.
That's
job.
all to pack it up.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Wait, Daddy, is that a mosquito in our house?
Probably.
Did you get it?
Okay.
Now?